Hey guys, it's Jen. I wanted to pop on here real quick and show you guys about EyeSense eyeliners. So we've been talking about eyeliners today, and I am so in love with our eyeliners. We have pencils and we have liquids, and they are going to last you all day long. They're not going to smudge. They are waterproof and they're amazing. So I want to show you first, I'm going to put some on me to just show you how easily they go on, okay? So I'm going to take a navy EyeSense eyeliner, and these are so smooth. There's no drag with the pencils. Like sometimes with pencils, you know how it tugs or whatever? These do not do that. So it just goes on like butter. It's super smooth. And I've been digging the blues recently, so I got blue mascara on again. So I'm going to use the navy liner. So it just twists up, okay? So you want to twist it up, and it doesn't take much, so make sure you don't twist it up too high or it'll break off. And when you take the top off, when you get yours, be sure to pull it straight up, just in case if there is any twisting that happened to happen, okay? It shouldn't cause an issue, but just be careful. I don't want you to break off the top of it. So twist it up, and then just watch how smooth this goes on. And they're really, really pigmented. So I'm going to use the navy, and here we go. See how easily that went on? These are super nice if you like to do tight lining. So do you guys know what tight lining is? It's where you do the top part right here. So these are like really nice for that. That's not something I normally do, but it's going to stay in there really nice. So look at that. So easy. So I'm going to do the other side real quick. See, look at that. See how easily it goes on? That's it. It's so simple. And let me do my little tight line here since I did it on the other side. Not something I'm used to doing. I just started doing that recently. So I just want to show you guys the difference between the liquid and then the pencil. So the pencil, you saw me just put that on. It goes on super easy. Now, it does take just a moment for this to set, so you can give it like a little smudge if you like to do that, but I'm just going to show you here. So there's navy. This one is really fun. This is Golden Shimmer. Isn't that pretty? In fact, I'm just going to put a little of that right here. How fun is that? We have purple, we have brown, we have black, and we have green. So the brown, the purple, and the green are limited edition, but otherwise the black, brown, did I say black, brown earlier? Black, brown, the navy, and the golden shimmer are all permanent line. Purple, brown, and green are limited edition of the pencils. So here comes the liquid. The liquid, you're going to shake it up first. I almost forgot. You're going to shake it up. And then it's got this little brush here. Let me show you. So see this brush right here? So you have the option. You can do it nice and thin line. Okay. Or if you take the brush and you flatten it, you'll get a thicker line. See the difference? So I just like let that bend like this when I put it on, and then that gives me a nice thick line, see? Now once these set, they are not gonna move. So this comes in black, brown, ocean, which is like this gorgeous blue color, starry sky, and gilded. So here's starry sky and gilded. I want to show you guys those real quick. So here comes Starry Sky. It's like a glittery black. It's hard to do from this angle, but you could see it's got that glitter in there. And then Gilded is so pretty. It's like this sparkly brown color. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. And then so once they are set, they're not going anywhere. So I don't know if these are set quite yet, but yeah, that one's not quite set. That's what I thought. But once they're set, I think this black one is set. You could see that it's not going anywhere. So once they're set, they are good to go for the whole day. And if you forget to take it off into the next day, some people like to use the liners in their brows too. So that's another thing that you could do with it. They're a little too dark for me, for my brows, but some people do that with them too. So that's part of Eye Week this week. And then I cannot wait. I'm going to announce some special for you guys here soon. So be on the lookout for that for Eye Week. And let me know if you guys have any questions, okay? All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.